Top 5 Best PC Joysticks in 2024. Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2024, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating for update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 4. GameSir G7 Xbox Gaming Controller Wired Gamepad, Xbox One Wireless Controller Rechargeable, Xbox One X Controller Wireless, 2 swappable paint-friendly. Faceplates. Customize your gaming experience with 2 swappable faceplates, allowing for endless personalization. High-performance sticks. Enjoy 360-degree seamless pinpoint control with algorithm-optimized joysticks, ensuring 0 fluctuation and 0 deviation. Hair trigger mode. Quickly switch to hair trigger mode for ultimate responsiveness in FPS and action games. On-the-fly mappings, designed for pro-level mobile gaming, with 2 additional back buttons for on-the-fly mappings. Plug-and-play with Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, and PC. Versatile compatibility with Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, and PC for a seamless gaming experience. Number 5. 8-bit Do Ultimate Bluetooth Controller with Charging Bluetooth. Wirelessly connects to your Bluetooth-enabled device with the built-in USB port on the back of the controller. Durable and easy to care. The controller is made of high-quality ABS plastic, which is durable and easy to clean. It can be washed by hand or machine with a warm water and mild detergent. User-friendly design. Built-in LED light, easy to read and operate. A wireless controller is included in the package for your convenience. Highest quality, built to last. This wireless gamepad is made with a durable and lightweight material that will not break or crack over time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.